Welcome to another day of our renovation journey. Okay, so this is an overview, and first is a TV box. Yeah, we set our internet, and we have to update our cable management. It's a bit messy now, but nonetheless, most of the Wi-Fi is working. And we left with testing a few of the data point ports, maybe the subsequent days. Okay, yeah. There's still a bit of defect on one of the partition. So on the screw, I think it's a bit loose. Still have to fix it. Okay, kitchen cabinet. We clean a bit, but still a bit messy. So no update. The rubbish still have to be cleared. And this is a beta version of our kitchen island. Okay, so it's quartz top, some marble stone with some rubbish in front for now, right? And this is a bar counter where we'll put all our drinks and some other random stuff, I guess. And this is a fan. It's by Alaska, so just to ensure that whenever anyone is chilling in the bar counter, right, you won't be feeling too hot. Yeah. So it's a kind of a mid-range brand for now. And this is our spacious living room for now. Okay, this is our dining table that will be assembled in maybe next week or these few days. And the track lights and this big fan by KDK. So a suggestion is, if you have big living room, right, it's better to get KDK. I think a 5 blade, or I forgot how many blade, but to allow it to, because it's the only few model that can support the air circulation for this kind of big space. Yep. And this is one of the Nokia Beacon 1 child note, so we just set it up for today and tested. And now our TV mount to be set up. And this is the working desk of my dear Serene, so she probably will chill here when it's up. Yeah. So there's some lights, and a very special thing that the ID is very excited to tell us about is that this wall is magnetic. Although we didn't really ask for it, so you can actually stick some of your magnetic stuff there. Okay, let's go to see the bathroom. I think I said the toilet bowl is delivered already, and some of the accessories are also installed. Okay, yeah, we still have to clean up. The tap is to be done. The plumber probably will come this coming few days also. Shower head, all this accessory all from online Easy Buy. Okay, and the Tiara toilet bowl tornado flush. Yeah, personally I tested in the morning, so it's working properly. You know, morning got nature call. One of the rooms, yep. So 2 track lights, my gaming room. Okay, we will drill some of the washout picture ledge at this area. Probably put some paintings. And this 0.1 eco fan. So it's one of the best fan that we feel after we went to kind of trial it. So it's pretty strong. The wind is pretty strong, yeah. Then we have 2 track lights just to support the ambience, and if we need more light in the room. Okay. This is a spare room. Okay, same setup, 0.1 fan, 2 track light. We can put one more if we want to, but it's good for now. We don't know what to do with this spare room right now, but we just put all our sofa cushion, papers, toilet rolls, all this to here right now before we start our cleaning. So just a temporary holding area. And this is a mattress like given by my girlfriend boss, so we still have to detox it, because I think it's been a few years since someone stepped on it, but it's a good brand, so we took it. Yeah, this is a master bedroom, same setup, spotlights and a 0.1 fan. Okay, and I'm opening a cupboard right now, the drawer, just to air the smell, you know, sometimes new, the woody smell. And we probably will have one beacon here, so you know that just what I mentioned about having the Nokia beacon. So we'll use the beacon one to sell the Wi-Fi mesh, not Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi mesh within the whole flat. Okay, why we use the beacon one? Because I have a free beacon one already, so I just go Carousel, get another 2 child node to kind of create this mesh. Okay, yeah, this master bedroom toilet. Yeah, the toilet bowl is also set up. Left the plumber to finish the last few steps, and we all good to go for the major cleaning. Alright, that's it. Think, yeah, new lights, some lights, we use some lights. Thank you.